Welcome back to At Your Leisure for our Halloween costume. And as I'm kind of winding down as the big cowboy, we've discovered that there are other kinds of people here. Now, what happened to your costume?
This is my costume.
Good. At least you're a happy ghoul.
It's wonderful being out here in the great wilderness.
East or west?
West. Wicked Witch of the West, for sure. And I turned him into a frog.
What did you say to her?
I told her that I'm a Jeeper that loves to be green.
What are you today?
Oh, I've morphed into a butterfly.
Well, Cookie, because of the costume and the character, we've decided this year to award the Cookie Award to the little green frog. I think he's got an identity crisis because he looks like Kermit the Frog, but he's eating the cookie like Cookie Monster.
I think you're right.
Well, listen, right now is the part of the show where we usually tell you about upcoming events. Those need to wait for just a minute because I need to tell you about something really important. If you're a snowmobiler, you really need to be paying attention to this. The Shoshone National Forest has come up with their alternatives for the new travel plan. This is the forest that sits north of Yellowstone. And if you don't want the Shoshone to start looking like Yellowstone as far as snowmobile travel, you need to get involved in this. The alternatives are listed on the Forest Service website, and you need to go and look at those and make your comments. They have to be done properly. They have to be filed properly, either electronically or by snail mail or by fax, but you need to make your comments prior to November 1st. Look carefully at the alternatives because their preferred one will significantly reduce snowmobile access to this area. So if you like backcountry snowmobiling and you don't want to have to travel to Shoshone like you do in Yellowstone, you need to get involved. And here's the other important part. If you don't get involved now and you don't comment before November 1st when they come up with the final recommendation, you will not be allowed to comment because you have no standing. You got to get in this conversation now. So if it's important to you, go there. You can go to our website, ayltv.com, and you can click on this episode, and you can find instructions on how to do it, where, and we will remind you of the deadline there. So do it. That's important. Okay, now on to the fun stuff.
Touche. Also, we want to talk about the Hump and Bump event, which is happening next weekend in Logandale, Nevada. It's a lot of fun. Get your 4x4, bring your family out there. They got over 7 trails. It's going to be just a wonderful time. So now let's take a look at next week's show.